smoother that cut? See how much smoother that cut? Yeah. All right, we'll save this one to cut for on the ends. Just lay that one over. Bring me one of the good ones. See, I've got two good ones laying there, should be, and this one will be the one to cut for both ends.
Yes.
Come out right. I'm sorry. This one's gonna come around.
You wanna
stagger these.
I was just gonna say you wanna stagger the joint too. Right, pull this one back to here. Oh, over there. Okay.
Okie dokie. And that one I don't remember how much it is. Yeah. 32.
It's a rhetorical question, right? Joe, all right?
Okay, 32. All right.
Didn't know.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Oh, hold on, hold on.
Take two. And that was Richard's.
This guy's
This is the blooper cut, right?
he's camera ready. He's not camera shy. So I told him, I said, hold on. This is my good friend Joe. We used to work at AT&T together. I've known him probably about 20 years, I guess. And then his daughters were actually in my martial arts class for how many years, you think?
One of them for about a year. The other is still practicing and training.
Okay.
So past 12, 14 years now.
Okay. So anyway, he came up today to visit. He called me yesterday. And so he's been up here helping me finish milling this lumber up. He's got to take off and go see his daughter, but I'm glad that he stayed to help me get that down there. And so yeah, probably been 2 years, 3 years since when's the last time I saw you?
It's an easy 3 years, if not maybe longer.
Okay. I see you're still wearing the same hat.
Yeah, but I added a patch.
We, you know, working for the phone company, you're outside pretty much all day long, so you need some sort of hat to, you know, protect your neck and of course your eyes, because a while ago I was sweating so hard in my eyes, couldn't hardly see what I was cutting. But
yeah, we're both pretty damp just from being out here.
oh yeah, this is a whole new orange. Yeah. Anyway, so he wanted to say hey and goodbye before he left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of sweep this off. I got one more piece to put over there by that fire pit, just a little short piece, and I'm going to nail this down, and then I'm going to work on building a set of steps right here on the corner. So you're going to miss out on that.
I'll be back.
You'll be back?
I'll be back.
All right.
Richard's been a co-worker, a good friend, and a teacher. Keep watching, he'll teach you something.
I don't know about that. All right, Joe, good to see you again. Well guys, I'm going to get ready to go. It's getting late, and I'll tell you, it was supposed to be 91 degrees today and 95% humidity. And I don't know if you can see this shirt, but I've turned it 3 shades of orange all day long. But I went and found me a curved piece of wood, and I'm going to make me a set of steps come up here kind of like this. Of course, I had to put these on there so that they wouldn't roll over, so I can kind of mark them out. But I was sitting here looking at them. I think I'm going to actually make them a little bit steeper so that I have a higher rise than what this would be. But once I kind of get them set where I want them to go, I'll shave the bark off. I will router me out some step mortises. I'll put me some steps in there, and then we will have us a set of steps. I had to cut out another big old tree root right there in order to get these 2 blocks down there for this to rest on. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the sawmill action and getting this decking pretty much done. I don't have the the centers of them done, but I do have the edges. That way they won't warp and pull up. But yeah, it's looking really good. So just want to wish everyone a great evening. Thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in. If you're new to this channel, be sure and subscribe. We appreciate all of our subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Like I said, I wish you have a great evening. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you back up here at the Outpost in the future.